Hello, I'm Fernando from Ace My Restaurant Supply. Dirty floors are a magnet to insects, pests, and turning away customers and lower profits. Mop up that mess with Rubbermaid's Wavebrake Mop Bucket, which features innovative technology that helps make cleaning simple and enjoyable. Each of these mop buckets are made from a web-molded plastic which is durable and can last years of even the dirtiest of jobs. Handles on the front, the side, and even the back ensure the best ergonomics when lifting. There's a pour spout here that allows for mess-free pouring whenever you need it. And overall, the vibrant yellow color ensures that customers can see this mop bucket when in use. And the wet floor sign also ensures utmost safety. There are 4 swivel casters giving you maximum transportability when you need it. Inside of the bucket, there's actually Wavebrake baffles that reduces splashing of dirty water onto your floors, also measurement markings. And the wringer has a nice handle and actually slides right onto the guides of the mop bucket itself, giving you simple use. The Wavebrake baffles are actually meant to reduce the momentum of water when you're moving the mop bucket. Observe. As you can see, there are no spills coming out of this mop bucket, which means that your business is safer, has drier floors, and you can ensure that you don't have to go back and clean up another mess that you may have just made. Another notable feature of this mop bucket is actually the wringer itself. Rubbermaid guarantees 5 years of use or 200,000 cycles. I'm here to break it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1,000, 1,001, 1,002, 8,886. 100,000, let's go, 200 more. 200,000, let's go, brother. If you want to beef up your sanitation service, get a Wavebrake Mop Bucket at an A-Smart store today or shop online at acemart.com.
Plan, go clean up.
Yes, sir.